Hello, I am John Sheridan, the Department Chair for the Physical Education and Health Departments. I can be reached at jsheridan@parkwayschools.net. All incoming freshmen are required to take the Physical Fitness Concepts. Once that course has been concluded, the students then will have an opportunity to earn additional half unit of credits for grades 10 through 12. It is recommended that all students take a PE course during their 11th or 12th grade year. Students may elect to take physical education for additional credits. A maximum of 4 units of physical education may be counted towards the required 24 units of graduation. Health and wellness education is required for all students during their sophomore year. This comprehensive course includes topics of personal wellness, nutrition, safety, disease prevention, healthy relationships, and substance abuse. This course is also available as a completely virtual online course. Students who are interested should contact their counselor regarding the process for enrolling in an online course. Thank you for taking the time to view the video on the Health and Physical Education Department. If you have any questions, please email me. Thank you.